Welcome, everybody. I'm Tim Gregory, Director of Travel Industry Sales for Carey International. I certainly want to thank THOR for giving us this opportunity, and certainly want to thank all of you for listening in. I'm not sure when exactly you'll be listening in, but we certainly appreciate this opportunity, and thank you for taking the time to listen to our presentation. Today I'll do an overview. I'm going to be talking about two distinct brands that Carey International offers. Carey is our worldwide locations. We've got locations. We chauffeured ground transportation on a worldwide basis, a global franchise network with in 1,000 cities, and an extended fleet. So all of these I'm going to be talking a little bit more on, but know that with Carey, we've got chauffeured ground transportation for whether it's individuals you've got that needs it or a group in all the cities around the world. So think of Carey all over the world. We do offer the two different brands, and I'm going to touch on that a little bit. But right now, the Carey is our unique difference. There is our network of corporate and franchise locations on a worldwide basis, and we've got the extended fleet. With the extended fleet, we offer some other extras that I will be going through as well on both services. So we've got the Carey service and the Embarque service. The Embarque service is a more cost-affordable option that we offer. It is not worldwide. Currently, it is in 19 major markets. It's sedan-sized cars only. So if you've got an individual that's going out or a couple and they need just a straight transfer, this offers, it's still chauffeured ground transportation, but it offers a more cost-affordable option to any one of your individual travelers or a couple. I stress that it's sedan-sized cars only because it's not on the Carey side. We can move your groups, but definitely on the Embarque side, sedan-sized cars only, a flat fee, curbside pickup, but fully commissionable to you as well. So keep this in mind if you're going to be in one of these major markets. It's in London internationally, and then all the rest are domestic cities in the U.S. But if you're otherwise going to have a client that says, I'm going to jump in a cab, you may want to consider this. First of all, it is commissionable. Secondly, you do know who you're working with. The chauffeurs on this are still background checked, vetted. We do all the background checks on them, so you know who you're putting them with. But if they need a transfer, we can take care of that as a more cost-affordable option. Again, the Carey, whenever I have a chance, I like to reiterate the message that we are worldwide. So like I said, whether you need an individual or you've got a group that's going out and they need any kind of chauffeured ground transportation, please consider us in our global network. Just an idea of some of the cities. This does include the cities, the breakout of the cities. So we're a network of corporate-owned and franchise locations. Really, that's what differentiates us from the competition. In that we've got the network. What it means to you is we've got control of all the touch points. So whether when you're making reservations, we've got control of all the touch points. We know who from your office makes the reservation, who takes the reservation, who dispatches the order, what vehicle was used, what chauffeur was used. So if you come to me after the fact with a commission inquiry or a customer service issue, we can get you some answers. And here I'm circling back to the Embarque cities list. Again, London internationally, and then all of these cities domestically. So we launched it in Chicago, but most of the major markets are now covered. But keep this in mind for the Embarque service, a more cost-affordable option. Our latest, we just launched in Charlotte, and coming soon, we're going to be in Raleigh, Orlando, and Jacksonville. Some of the things that we're real proud of is that about 1.5 million transactions in 2016. So although we're sorting through a lot of business, we certainly would appreciate your support. We do serve more than 1,000 cities worldwide, so keep us in mind for whatever you've got going out. As far as with our network of corporate-owned and franchise locations, when we talk about duty of care, we mean it. We put an operational standards manual together, so we're serious about it. The chauffeured ground transportation industry is changing, so you've got to know who you're working with. But with our system, know that we've got control of all the touch points, and we can offer the same level of service at all of our locations. So you've got the peace of mind of knowing that before the trip we're with you, after the trip as well. And with our operations standards, the expectation is set that you get the same service whether you're in New York or London or LA or San Francisco. It's the same level of service. Some of the things that we do I like to include this slide just because the chauffeurs are the face of our company. When your clients are out, these are professionals. They work for Carey International only. We vet, background check, certify, train, insure all of our chauffeurs. We do the driving test, the drug test, the criminal background checks. They are professionals. They're not part-timers. And truly, they are the face of the company when your clients are out there. So I like to include that and just some of the stats behind it, and that they stay with us. They are professionals, and they work with Carey International only. The Carey International fleet. Again, if you've just got an individual that's going out, or you're moving a group in a luxury van, executive van, sprinter van, whatever it be, we can move any size group that you have. So keep us in mind. I'm sensitive to it. I was just in a office agency a couple weeks ago, and they were doing a multi-generational cruise, and they needed a minivan for 23, or a van for 23. And she said, I didn't even think of you. And I thought, shame on me. I should be reiterating every time I make a call. So I like to include the fleet. Keep us in mind. We've got the extended fleet on the Carey International side. And then down at the bottom, you see the Embarque as well. Some of the other vehicle standards that we have, nothing in our fleet is old. We turn the sedans every 3 years. With the maintenance, we've got background checks and the whole works. And then as far as the insurance, one of the big differentiation is that we carry the $20 million insurance coverage, and that applies to all trips in the global network. We are full disclosure. Know that we're fully insured. You've got to know it is not a regulated commodity in this industry, so we're full disclosure. We'll share an insurance certificate with you or your office, but you've got the peace of mind of knowing that if your clients in the back seats of our vehicles, they are fully covered. And some of the service offerings that we offer, some of the things we've done is inside we've got, whether it be airport transfers or cruise port transfers, train stations, but some of the things that we've done internally is dedicated desks. We've got our meetings and events desk. We've got a private aviation desk. We've got a dedicated international desk. So when your clients, for instance, are traveling international, our dedicated international reservations desk is tasked with the responsibility of knowing all the different laws, circumstances in these country by country, so they can answer questions better rather than just winging it and going to our gen res. And it's worked out very well. So when you've got clients that are going international, we can better answer the questions and restrictions from country to country, and it's worked out very well to help us serve your clients better. Some of the technology I'd like to touch on. We launched a new website. I urge you to take a look at it. We launched a new website a few years back, careyconnect.com. careyconnect.com. Urge you to take a look at it. All you have to do when you log on, it's your email and your personal password. Once you get on there and you start using it, you can get quick quotes. When you're using it, you can look at past reservations, upcoming reservations. You can make changes. You can pull receipts for your clients. On there, we'll keep some information on you being the arranger, and then passenger profiles as well. So all the information that you'd need is right there on our website, Carey Connect. Know that regardless of which system you're working with or booking on, we can integrate to any third-party integration. So we've got the means, and regardless of how your office is booking, we can make it happen through a third-party integration as well. Incentives, I'll touch on incentives. Everything that I've talked about so far today is commissionable. THOR offices, member offices receive a 12% commission off of all of our vehicle sizes at all of our locations. Our only stipulation is book it through our central reservations, but you get a 12% commission off the Carey services and a 5% commission off the Embarque services for all transactions, all vehicle classes at all of our cities. A little bit of time left on this, depending on when you hear this, but through the end of August, we're offering THOR members a 3% bonus commission. So again, the Carey commission is 12 plus the 3 is a 15% on the Carey, and 5% on the Embarque plus 3% would make it 8%, and that's through the end of August. Another thing that we do offer, if you're not part of the unlimited rewards, I urge you to take a look at this. This is a travel agent incentive. This is exclusive to travel agents only, in that you have to have an ARC-IATA number to participate. But I urge you to take a look at this. Go to the Unlimited Rewards website one time. You sign up, no cost to you. they get you a 9-digit number. When you enter, from then on, every time you book Avis, Budget, Hilton, Carey, and Embarque, that's us, you get points. Points go onto a debit card, and you can spend them however you want. So as on my travels, I get endless travels or stories of individual. I got some offices where they literally carry the card with them, and others save for something that they really want. So the points that you earn go onto a debit card, and you can spend them however, wherever you want. For personal use, we have got discounted rates for you. We offer a 25% off for the Carey services and a 10% off for any Embarque services. So that's for when you're going out on personal travel and you need any of our services, we encourage you to take a look. And by referencing this account number, you get a 25% off the Carey and a 10% off the Embarque service for your purposes. And that's a quick recap of what we do. Again, if you want to know more about the Carey, we do have a support desk for the Carey Connect. We've got our own support team. It's got tutorials on it, but we would happy to present the website if you're interested in it. But it's got all the information that, as far as locations and quick quotes, as far as all of our rates as well. And I thank you, I thank THOR, and I thank any of you that have taken the time to listen to this. And we appreciate your business, and we appreciate your support.